Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Amazon Kindle 11. To do that, you're gonna have to tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your screen, go to Settings, then open Device Options, then scroll down until you reach the factory reset option at the very bottom of the screen. Select it, then select Reset, and then wait until the factory reset process is finished. Now it's gonna take you a while probably, so I recommend connecting your device to the charging cable and making sure that your device is charged during this entire operation. And once it's finished, you'll be able to see the language selection screen and set up your device once again. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.